Hello, Pooja. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. First of all, I want to say a big thank you to you for giving me this precious opportunity. I'm excited and a little bit nervous too,
No
but
problem.
more I'm excited.
But let me tell you, you deserve every bit of it. Last time we invited Indu, one of our shining stars in the group, and you are another shining star, so you are here. So I'm really honored to have you on my channel. Thank you for accepting my invite. And let's look forward to an amazing conversation with you.
Yes, ma'am,
Uh-huh.
definitely.
Yes. So let us start with a little round of introduction.
My name is Pooja. I hail from Uttarakhand, the land of God, especially mini Switzerland, Pithoragarh. I hold a master's degree in science and BA degree too. Since my childhood, I have a dream to become teacher. So still I'm preparing for government teaching exam. Apart from this, like I'm passionate to listening music and reading books and dancing and watching your podcast video.
Uh-huh. So
It's
that is
my
also
hobby nowadays. Yes, ma'am.
okay. So one of
And
your hobbies.
because of because of this, I have a bee in my bonnet about learning and fluent as like you. You are
Amazing.
my true inspiration.
Thank you so much. It
Yes.
means a lot. So, how long have you been the part of our WhatsApp learning communities?
It's been I think 4 months I have completed, ma'am.
Mm.
And since ever since I'm learning, I'm keep adding new expression, new word, new thing in my life.
hmm
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, we can see that your improvement is quite noticeable. You have added so many expressions to your speaking. So, good job on that. Very good. Okay, so we
Because
are
of
here.
you both, ma'am.
Thank you so much. So, yes, we are here today to discuss a very relatable and emotional topic that is the bond between siblings. So, ready for that?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Great. So let us start with a basic question. First of all, do you have siblings and how would you describe your bond with them?
Yes, ma'am. We are three siblings, and I would say heart to heart connection with my sibling because it is the purest form of love. What we share with each other. We grown up together, we learn, we share our bonding, support each other in thick and thin also. So it's kind of, like love, affection. It's a mutual, like whenever we share such bond, so I would say it's a heart to heart connection, like we always share this bond. I always said that that blood is thicker than water, so they
hmm
know, even my sibling knows me better than I. So
hmm
this yes, ma'am.
Right, right. That's such a close bond. We also share a very close bond with our siblings. And like people usually say that siblings really fight a lot with each other. Like they fight like cats and dogs. I want to know about your childhood. Did you fight like cats and dogs with your siblings during your childhood?
Yes, ma'am. There is no brainer. Like my sister and me fight like cats and dog, but
hmm
like our relation more strong because of that fight. After that, how she convinced me, how she, because she is elder to me,
hmm
so elder has such kind of responsibility to take care of a younger one. So she
True.
always try to give me some, she means always support because I was a studious kind of girl that time. So she always support me. Okay, you don't do, because I prefer, I belong from village. So my mother always give instruction like you have to do this work, and she divides work. So
hmm
but my sister always did my work too, like she
hmm
always give chance. Okay, to you, do you did your study, I will do all, I will manage all thing. So she always, like helping hand of me.
Right, right. And that's so sweet. And you're cherishing those memories. Still, you're cherishing
Yes,
those memories. So that's the beauty of it. And older siblings are always responsible and they cannot let their younger siblings feel sad. So that is
yes,
completely seen in your kind of relationship that you have just described. Yes. So people
yes,
do
ma'am.
fight, siblings do fight, but these fights
Yes,
bring them
ma'am.
even closer.
Such a misunderstanding, fighting, I think it's not to way, like no worry about it.
Mm-hmm.
because we know that she cares me and how much she feel angry and pissed off to me. After 2 days, it will feel normal. She will talk with me, and our relation would be like as earlier.
Hmm,
So
right, right. So you know them inside out, and you know that this anger is there for just a brief period, and it's going to be all okay
yes,
after some time. That's
yes,
right. You
ma'am,
know
yes.
their basic nature. Great. So have you
Yes.
ever felt this kind of connection with your friends too? Like, can we consider our friends siblings in any way?
Yeah, I would say, ma'am, I have also such friend since my childhood. We are sharing such kind of bond and supporting system, thin and thick. But, ma'am, I would to some extent we have such kind of fear that if
Mhm.
I would unintentionally I would say some words, so maybe it hurts to them. But in case of sibling, whatever comes in your mind, you are free from to speak. But
Right.
in friend, somehow you have to keep attention and focus, like okay, be
Mm-hmm.
attentive that whatever you are saying you can't say openly to think.
Mm-hmm.
But some you can share such bond also if your friend is more understandable and they know your nature, your behavior, and truly you are not such kind of girl. So
Mm-hmm.
maybe, yeah.
Hmm, that's quite a
Yes, ma'am.
practical one, I must say. And I am sure that you have experienced this thing in your life, right? We cannot keep friends in the place of
Yes,
siblings all the
ma'am.
time. And this proverb that blood is always thicker than water, it's non-applicable in this particular case. Like people have many best friends and they consider them siblings too. So in that
Yes,
case,
ma'am.
when you
Even I
know
have,
them, hmm,
yes, ma'am.
when you,
Even I have one
Mhm,
best friend, since my childhood. But one day I said unintentionally, I don't know what I said.
mhm.
She hurts. That word
She
hurted
got
her.
hurt.
So she was
Hmm.
saying like how you can see like this in front of other people see this. So I was
Mhm.
that day I was thinking, since that day I was thinking like okay, means we should mindful to use such word in front of
Mhm.
other people. But in case of sibling, like my sister, I say anything, you are tube light, you don't know anything. So she never mind, she
Uh-huh.
okay, I'm there, okay.
Uh-huh.
Yes,
Right. That's the fun with siblings, I must say. And yes, yeah, around our friends, we need to be a little cautious. Is there any issue in my video?
yes, ma'am, yes,
It's
actually
flickering.
something,
Just
please, yeah, yes.
let me fix it. Just give me a second. So now you must have noticed that in today's fast-paced world, couples are preferring to have either one kid or no kids at all, right? So are only children missing something important by not having siblings?
Yes, ma'am. In my perspective, some people, they are giving preference to their career most
Mm-hmm.
because they want to earn everything. They want to maintain their status. They
Mm-hmm.
Because we are living in fast-paced era, so
Hmm.
luxurious life they want to live. But in case of kids, I would say whatever we are earning, but earning is they can fill your wallet, but
Mm-hmm.
still your heart is empty if you don't have such kids. Even one kids is not enough in my perspective, because
Mm-hmm.
two kids are sharing bonds, their thoughts, their secrets. So like they give pleasure, like two kids are there. But one kids, if you are giving, maybe you would give all amenities to them, but when it comes to their inner peace, their inner sharing secrets and other thing, so I think they feel empty, they feel loneliness at that time.
Mm-hmm. Right, right.
So
Hmm.
yes,
Maybe
ma'am.
later when they need some kind of emotional support, so they'll
Yeah.
have to rely on outsiders and their parents only. Sometimes we cannot share each and everything with our parents too. So that is again a
Yes, yes.
concern. And that is the reason many parents are really mindful about these things these days, that they plan at least two kids so that
Yes,
their
ma'am.
kids will have friends as siblings later in the future and
Yes,
they'll not
yes. They
feel
can share
lonely.
the bond of, Yes, ma'am. Even it is also necessary. Like you are raising one kid, so a second baby is also learning from their, elder
Mhm.
ones, and they are thinking, okay, their love, affection between them. So I think it's a necessary, indispensable for kids. Two
Mhm.
kids, having two kids, like parents also feel good, and kids also can share, because each and every time we can't share our thing to our parents. They are
Mhm.
means nine means other generation. The
Mhm.
gap between that generation is quite different. So you can, like that kid can understand their age person.
Mhm.
So I think it's a better, like to have one kid, so two kids are always support, and being, they work in a thin and thick time.
Right. And it's easier to raise the second child because they learn from their sibling, right? So it's easier to
Yes,
raise
ma'am.
them. That is also a point there. And yes, parents always have their children's back, but at the same time, not everything can be shared with parents, especially later in the life. Right. That's right.
Even parents also busy to their work, like who with whom child can share their thing. If someone is
Exactly.
there, so they also feel comfort to share.
So, Pooja, this is the last question of today's session. Like in difficult situations and when siblings need emotional connection, so what do you think? Do we always support them? Do we always have their back, or we should just leave them on their own so that they become independent in their life? So, what is your take on this?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, in my perspective, like we should leave them, because of that they can learn like how to survive in this world. Because every time parents have habit to wool in a cotton wool,
Mhm.
so they always try to spoon feeding, but because of that habit they always feel comfort to, if someone is there, they don't want to put their effort. So if like parents give them support every time, so maybe they would not learn how to challenges turn into opportunity, how to
Mhm.
handle situation. If parents allow them, so they will, maybe first time they are not able to resolve, overcome that situation, but again if they will practice, so again and again they will learn by their mistake, like how to overcome the situation.
Mhm.
So yes, ma'am, like that's why I have seen that nowadays parents are enrolling him boarding school, hostel, because kids are very comfort at home. So if they are providing spoon feeding every time, so they become lazy and like procrastinate all these things. But if they go out, they survive, like how peoples are doing, how they have to learn from others people. So they get better, easily
Mhm.
solve problem, and they have decision making, this also learn, and like they can survive easily.
Right, right.
Otherwise it's very difficult.
True, true. I completely agree with you. And they need to learn these life skills. They cannot be dependent on others for always for
Yes.
financial and emotional support. So, yes, even
Yes,
if they
ma'am.
had to learn the hard way, they need to do that because experience is the best teacher. So, they need to experience
Yes, ma'am.
financial issues as well. There is no harm in issues in facing financial issues or emotional issues, right? Because we learn with
Yes,
it,
ma'am.
we learn how to overcome these issues. So, to
When,
some
yes,
extent, we can
ma'am.
provide help. But after that, we need to make them understand that you need to face your problems on your own. You need to find solutions of your problems, cannot rely on others always.
Yes, ma'am. In practical way, they have to go in ground level, and they
Hmm.
have to learn from their experience, from their failure, from others' experience. So it
Hmm.
is possible only when they will do that thing in practical way.
Hmm. True, true. But again, it's easier said than done. We always have a soft corner for us, for our siblings in our heart, and we tend to help them no matter what. So we cannot see them in any difficult situation. So that happens. We tend to help them. But again, they need to be self-dependent as
But
well in their
somehow,
life.
yeah, somehow we should be harsh. We should be think about their down
Hmm.
in the line. They have to survive. Always it's not possible that always we are available. So
Yes.
if they will learn, yeah. But the thing is, like you should keep an eye on them. Like
Hmm.
you should give a scaffolding that how it's work, how you should work in like this. because it's also necessary. Yeah.
Right,
When
right.
after that, yeah, they will learn from
Mm-hmm.
their mistake and experience.
Right. And why wait for hitting the rock bottom, I would say. They should learn these skills early on in their life. Like since childhood, parents have to teach these skills to their kids, that how to survive in difficult situations, how to find solutions on your own and not rely on their parents or other people in the family. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
great. So these were some wonderful questions and wonderful answers from your side. So thank you so much for that. It was really a candid conversation. We've got some genuine answers and genuine opinions from your side. So again, thank you. And I had a whale of a time with you. Talking with you is always a pleasant experience, I must say. So before we leave,
Likewise,
do you
ma'am.
have any questions?
No, ma'am, because every question you gave answer on our platform,
Mm-hmm.
WhatsApp community. And I want to say the big thank you to you to provide such a fruitful, such a productive, I would say. Because first time when I stumble upon your video, I want to share my experiment means experience. First time I stumbled upon your video, that time I was flabbergasted, like because we are belong to Uttarakhand, so it like we consider Uttarakhand a little bit fell behind or other state. So when I saw your video, blogging video, and it was in English, you were giving in English expression. So I was thinking like, oh my God, now our Uttarakhand also developing. And
Mm-hmm.
you are the part, ma'am, like to contribute your contribution to increase, because homemaker, as a homemaker, I would say it's not possible to go out and to afford, because time less lack of timing also.
Mm-hmm.
So you are providing such platform where 24 into 7 hour we can utilize our time while doing household chores, other putting, it's my habit nowadays, putting
Mm-hmm.
headphone and connecting co-learner, and day
Right.
by day I'm learning too much thing.
Right, right.
So
And
thank
these
you so much,
communities have,
ma'am.
yes, my pleasure. And I would say it's a mutual effort of all the learners, I would say, because it's not just that we have provided you with the platform, and without you, this platform is like nothing. It has no significance without you all, right? So this is now a second home to us as well. Like we feel like we actually look forward to these sessions to meet our
We
learners, to
feel
meet our
comfort.
students. Exactly.
Yeah,
It
whenever
doesn't feel
I
like.
feel stress, upset, I
Hmm.
connect with co-learner. As in our country, their unity in diversity. So it's the
Hmm.
same in our platform, means WhatsApp group also.
True.
Some of elder than me, some of younger than me. So I learned a lot of things from their experiences. So
Hmm.
such kind of exposure I'm getting at my home. So it's really commendable job, ma'am. You
Hmm.
both are putting your heart and soul and giving us chance to
Hmm.
enhance, to improve also.
Right. And I'm so glad that it is benefiting a lot of homemakers, working professionals out there. And that is what we aim for. So, yes, great having you all on the WhatsApp learning community. And yes, thank you so much for being here as well. And we'll meet again very soon. Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am.